Okay guys, so today I'm going to be doing a hair get ready with me / review / show and tell, because this hair right here is crazy. I didn't do anything to it. I literally just took out a ponytail. So I'm kind of looking crazy. But yeah, let me get into it. This is from Dsoar hair. This is their bob wig. I have in 12 inches and I can't talk like ever. I don't know the density. I'm pretty sure it's like 150. It doesn't feel that thick, but I have no idea. But I'm gonna leave that down below so you guys can, check it out for yourselves. So initially getting into it, I have to say that this is probably the best bob wig I have ever tried in my whole entire life. And straight like that, like there's just so much that this wig has that other wigs don't. And it's not even like that, like things that I don't know. Let me just explain, because obviously I'm just gonna ramble and you guys are gonna know what I'm talking about. So let's just get into it. So the first thing that I loved about this wig, actually I'm gonna do my hair while I talk. So I'm just gonna hit it with a flat iron. I'm gonna leave it linked down below because I always forget, but if I forget, yell at me or something. But this wig came pre-plugged already, which is amazing, like amazing. And if I'm looking over here, my mirror's over here, so yeah. This wig came pre-plugged. I did not do anything to this hairline whatsoever. Don't mind how the baby hairs look. I still have to do those. But the way that you see it is the way it came. I didn't cut anything extra. The baby hairs came like this as well. The only thing I did to the baby hairs was cut them shorter, but they did come like with the wig. So whatever you see is like what they already came with. I personally did not do anything extra to like the hairline of this wig. I did bleach it, bleach the knots. I do that for all of my wigs. Like you can't catch me outside with a wig that's not bleached. Like that's just not a thing. So you do have to bleach this, but at the same time I kind of feel like you may not have to. And I say that because the lace of this wig is very, it's like transparent, but it has kind of like a slight white cast on it. Like it looked transparent, but it's like if you look close enough, you maybe can see the lace. So what I did was take some concealer, which is my color, and I put it all over the lace. And when I say that just made, like, it's crazy. Like the color of this lace is just so nice that you can put any color on there and it won't like affect it. Like you guys know, like if you have a wig, like if it's dark brown lace, it's over with. There's no changing dark brown lace. Like it is what it is. Like it's just gonna be dark on your scalp, And with this one, it's like, I'm gonna get on my knees a little bit so you guys can see better. But when I put the concealer on this lace, it just melted into it. And it was like the lace was automatically that color. And I just love that, because it's like sometimes some laces come light brown, dark brown, and I'll put my makeup on, but I really don't see a difference. And I kind of feel like it goes on my scalp the same way that it would, like if I didn't put the concealer on there. But when I put the concealer on this one, it like changed the lace the exact color that I needed it to be. And it just helped the melt just go so much better. So you guys can see now, I didn't do any extra cutting or anything, and it's just so blunt and nice. And I love that I got 12 inches. Like I always get 14 and I have to cut it. You guys see my previous videos, like I'm always cutting my bobs. And I got the 12 inch and it's perfect. It's like the perfect length, the perfect amount of blunt. Like it's like a dream. I cannot with it. Let me just show you guys the lace, because I was just talking about it and didn't show. But this lace is just perfect. All I did was bleach it and that's it. So if you're like a beginner and you're not, or if you're just don't like plucking, because plucking is just so tiring. Like I'm not gonna lie to you guys, plucking is tiring. Like that could take hours if you don't know what you're doing, or if you don't know how to pluck. That could take a really long time, especially wigs that come dense in the front, like there's no plucking whatsoever. That can be very tiring, but this just came perfect. This is honestly like a beginner's wig. Like I could probably give this wig to my mom and she just slay it. And my mom's not a wig person whatsoever. Like it's just, it's like, oh my god, like I cannot with it. This hair is incredibly soft. I didn't put any type of product in the actual hair itself, and it has such a nice shine to it, like a natural shine, especially like the top. You guys can see, like, she's, you know, she's shining. She's really cute, and I didn't put any product in the hair. The only product that I put in the hair was the Got To Be Glued spray, and that's only like here, like wherever the lace is, because that's how I install my wigs. But that's the only place I put it, and the rest of the hair just has such a nice shine to it, and it's so soft and it moves. It's not stiff at all. Also, the part, oh my God, how could I even forget? The part from this wig goes all the way back here to like whatever part, I can't see what I'm showing you guys, but it goes all the way back here to like the back of my head almost. Like right here, the lace stops. So this part is deep, deep. Another good thing, like this wig has done nothing wrong. Like me and her are like, we're besties at this point. Like we're friends. Like we're probably gonna be more than friends by the end of the week, because I'm gonna wear this for like, this is like gonna be my everyday wig now. And I know I'm always like, oh my God, I hate frontals, I would never wear a frontal. But listen, ain't no frontal that I own right now, this, I mean closure that I own is all the way back here. Like just this parting space alone is just crazy, because nothing looks more unrealistic than a part that stops right here. I don't care what no one has to say, I do not care. Nothing looks more unrealistic than this, when your part stops right here. Who in real life has a wig that stops, like their natural hair stops right here, and then you can see tracks starting right here? Like bro, that's like, I just hate that so much. Like I cannot with it. I have nothing to do with my life, but I just look like I have something to do with my life. Like, you know, let me just do this. And I'm laying my edges down with Got To Be, no, I'm lying. Let me get up close so you guys can see, because I'm also going to use this viewfinder as a mirror, because I'm not too far. My eyesight is not there anymore. Let me brush these back. And lately I've been it's something about using, what's this stuff called? I keep forgetting that gel, Eco Styler gel. I've been using it on my edges. I watched one YouTuber, I forgot her name, but she said that she uses like gel on her frontals. But I'm like, you use gel on your frontal? Like, what do you mean you use gel on your frontals? So I used it, and I'm like, okay, so why was I using anything else before? Like, and it just makes sense. Like, if you use gel on your edges regular, why not use it on your wigs? Like, I don't know why that just never clicked to me. I thought baby girl was on shenanigans, and then I used it, and I'm like, okay, well, I've been missing out. But it's not as like, you can do more with your edges. For you guys who watch my other videos, you guys know that I usually use hairspray. Like, I'll just put the hairspray directly onto whatever toothbrush or edge brush I'm using, and then I'll do it. But that dries up so quick, and it's like I can never just play around with it enough to even get it right. So sometimes my edges and baby hairs on my frontals don't be looking like how I want them to look, just because that dry time is just crazy. Like, you see what I'm saying? And these are already here on the wig. All I did was just cut them a little bit shorter. Like, these are already established, and all I've, like, you know, yeah, she's looking put together now. Like, oh my God, where's this wig at all summer? Like, this is a summer bob. Like, this is a summer bob. How about a summer bob? Like, you know what I'm saying? Literally. Like, this wig can do no wrong. And this is like so quick and easy. Like, you don't have to do anything. Like, I'm just going straight down with the flat iron. Like, I'm not doing nothing fancy with it. You guys seen how I just laid those baby hairs in like 30 seconds. Let me go ahead and say this wig is a 10 out of 10. Like, there's like, what else do I have to say? Like, what, like, you guys see it. Like, you guys see it. It's there. You see this lace? You see how blunt? You know, like, this is the wig. This is her. I hope you guys like it. If you do, link will be down below, as always. It'll be linked. Yeah, all the details of the wig that I have on is either gonna be like been on the screen or down below, so you guys can check it out. Links are all down below. I hope you guys like this video and the wig, whatever, all that, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.